sleep. You'll doubt whether it'll work. You'll stress to make ends meet. You won't finish your to-do list. You'll wonder whether you made the right call and have no way to know for years. This is what hard feels like, and that's okay. Everything worth doing is hard, and the more worth doing it is, the harder it is. The greater the payoff, the greater the hardship. If it's hard, good. It means no one else will do it. More for you.
Hey, so actually this is my first long form content. Yeah, it's the winter arc. This is the most important 3 months of the year actually. It's not the January 1st actually. So it's um October, November and December. These are the most three important months of the year. The Great Lock and the winter arc, whatever you name it. Because some people they just wait till January to get started. When they do that, is like, they just start, they just do their stuff for a week or two, and that's it. They just quit and they just get back to their old stuff. So these 3 months, these are not like obstacle on the way. As Marcus Aurelius says, what stands on the way becomes the way. And instead of waiting till January 1st to get started, use these 3 months to prepare, get that momentum, and then when January 1st comes, you are already ahead of almost 90% of people. So it's the best time of the year to get started actually, and that's what I'm gonna do. My content actually is gonna be about just personal development, which is like physically, financially, and also mentally. But what I will be doing is like I'll be putting more effort on the physical side, which is gym content. Content wise, it's gonna be more on the gym side. The reason I'll be more focused on the physical side is because the body should be obedient to the mind. As Seneca says, it says, we treat body rigorously so that it will not be disobedient to the mind. So, you know, early mornings, cold showers, intense workouts, all that stuff, it tells the body that who's in control. So if the mind is in control, the body will not be disobedient. So you have to like force your body to do certain stuff like cold showers, wake up early in the morning, and go to the gym, all that stuff. That way your body knows who's in control. So that's really important. And once your mind is in control and your body is obedient to your mind, that's how things get done.
You're not where you want to be. You feel like you're supposed to be somewhere else. You said it. Well, say you could snap your fingers and be wherever you wanted to be. I bet you'd still feel this way. Not in the right place. The point is, you can't get so hung up on where you'd rather be. You forget how to make the most of where you are.
What are you telling me?
Take a break from worrying about what you can't control. Live a little. Live a little.
Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Though wise men at their end know dark is right, because their words had forked no lightning they, do not go gentle into that good night. Rage, rage against the dying of the light.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video.